Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Neeraj Nifty Wala, and I'm making this video on 14th of April with a view on Nifty. 13th April we saw a Nifty close above 17,800, and the final close we have got as of 13th of April is 17828. So that's the view I am kind of presenting to you over here. So in my previous video, if you check, I had drawn these two lines to show you that okay, this is the range in which Nifty is supposed to stay, and 16,890 is the key support zone. 16,890 is broken on the closing basis, which means if we get a red candle close below this level, then we will possibly see 16,600 as a target to come. We saw that Nifty took a support over here. It did break 16,890 twice, that is on 16th of March and 20th of March, but it did not break below. It actually took support and started going up. That is what we saw. So this entire triangle and a zigzag pattern that we saw over here is now telling us that now Nifty is ready to move on the upside. So I've drawn these two arrows now, as you can see. So Nifty should ideally now start its journey for this upside level. So this is the range in which it should hover for the coming days. Now what can be the possible levels for Nifty? So I have drawn these arrows over here. Before that we have to understand what are the key levels now. Now the key level is 17585 is the key level now, which should continue being the support. The support level which it has broken out of on 6th of April. Now this support should stay, and then it should not break on the closing basis and again come below this. So this yellow support line, which is a 17,330 level, it should not break. Basically that's a final support again. So the key support now for the coming days, in the next 4 or 5 days trading session, it should maintain itself above 17,585. That is the key thing with Nifty. Should stay above it. If only if it stays above that, we can probably say that okay, now this entire corrective zigzag pattern which was going on is now over, and the upside move, so this entire zigzag pattern which we are seeing, that should continue to go on. Now how will this pattern go on? This should be a zigzag pattern. So on Monday's trading session, Tuesday's trading session, it should stay in this range. Maybe if it wants to correct, it should only correct till here, not go below this. It should only correct till here and stay within this arrow. If it stays here, then we can say that okay, now this correction which is going on is over, bullishness has started, and now it is heading for the upside target. What are the upside target? The 17,800 resistance has to break again, and it has to come and stop over here. 18,090, it has to come over here. It cannot go vertically up in one shot. If it goes vertically up in one shot, it will come vertically down as well. So if the bullishness and the momentum has to be built, it has to vertically go up. Second thing is the key component of Nifty, HDFC and Reliance. These have to stay steadily up. Right now, in the last 2-3 trading sessions, what we are seeing is that Bank Nifty is going up, but Nifty is not going up the way it should. Another thing is that the result of HDFC Bank is supposed to be released on 15th of April, which is Saturday. One more thing is Reliance quarterly results have to come out. Next thing is that HDFC and Reliance are the key heavyweights, which actually are the key holdings of the FII. Now, HDFC right now is at its almost near its all-time high. Reliance is not at its all-time. That is the key thing to note over here. Reliance is at a level where it is not able to break out. So that is the key thing which we all need to know. Another thing we also need to understand is for the Nifty momentum to build and for Nifty to go up, there are quite a few factors. One is that the continuous uh, kind of fall in S&P 500 and Dow Jones, which we had seen in the few days, the Dow Jones chart, S&P 500 chart, that has kind of been showing the bullish momentum, but that same kind of a momentum is not seen on the Nifty chart. That is another observation which I have. So you might want to go and cross tally with the Dow and S&P. So that tells me that S&P is currently not going beyond its level of 4,100 and 4,200. That is where it is stuck currently. So you'll have to go back, cross check, can see if S&P is going up, then our Nifty will also get the kind of support. If there's a correction in S&P, then we will not get that support, and our market will also come down, because currently our market is having its moves purely based out of the global markets. So what happens is, for 2 days there is a gap up, because S&P and Dow Jones go up, but then there's a sell-off throughout the day, which is what we saw on the 10th of April. The 10th of April, it was a gap up, but it came and closed in the red. Again, there was 11th April, there was a good buying in the S&P and Dow Jones. Our market opened gap up, stayed up, and the key resistance of 17,700 was maintained. Then for the next 2 days, Dow and S&P both were up. So this, our market also went up marginally. Now we are going up marginally is because our Reliance is not doing all that great as of now. Right now I am looking at this particular structure, the bullish structure. This bullish structure should stay, like, it's in the range and not breaking below the 17,600 and 17,000 530, which is a final level. It should not break below this level. It should stay above this. It can continue to hover in this range and then break out of 17,800 with the bullish momentum, stay above 18,090, again continue its upward journey in this zigzag pattern in this two arrow ranges which I have drawn, and eventually you will see that Nifty comes to 18,800 level in the coming days. Once that level is achieved, we can say that okay, this entire pattern which was corrective, and this entire bullish momentum which we saw, that same kind of bullish momentum pattern will be seen over here. So I am referring to this pattern which formed from 20th of September 2022 till 1st of December 2022. So let me draw an arrow over here just for your understanding. So this is the pattern we saw in the month of September, and this is the zigzag up move. I'm looking at the same kind of zigzag up move to form over here. So this will complete this pattern in the next few days to come. So this target that I'm talking about is to be expected somewhere near the month of mid-May. By mid-May, we should expect 18,800 to be possibly achieved if this bullish momentum, as I've explained earlier, continues. So this is my view on Nifty for the coming days. Thank you so much for watching, and please hit the like button if you have still not done so. Please share this video among your friends, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. This is Neeraj Nifty Wala.